Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. Your preparation of SEBI legal exam must be in full spring, and in our legal maxim series, now we are going to discuss another set of maxims. We have come to our part 8. If you have not yet gone through the earlier videos, watch them. 7 parts are already done. Around 35 to 40 legal maxims have already been covered. Moving ahead, the first maxim that we are going to discuss today is cursus curae est lex curae. The meaning of this maxim is the practice of the court is the law of the court. This means that the course of procedure which is followed by the courts becomes the law of court, especially in the absence of any other prevailing law. The next maxim is custos morum. This means guardian of morals, also meaning guardian of established usages, laws, etc. It refers to the responsibility of courts to uphold moral standards in society. For example, by enforcing laws against public indecency or obscenity, the custos morums ensure that the people behave in a way that is acceptable to society. This helps to maintain social order and prevent the breakdown of moral values. The next maxim is cujus est dare, ejus est disponere. This means he who has a right to give has a right to dispose of the gift. The principle of this maxim protects the law of spendthrift trust. It allows the donor to condition his bounty so long as he violates no law in doing so. That means a person who has a right to give a gift can also impose certain conditions on the gift in order to avoid spendthrifting, provided the conditions are not against any law. The next maxim is delegata potestas non potest delegari. This means delegated authority cannot be delegated again. This legal maxim, this principle is much useful in constitutional and administrative law and means that no delegated powers can further be delegated. Majorly, this principle is used in Indian Contract Act section 190, which deals with agency. This rule says that a person to whom a power, trust or authority is given to act on behalf or for the benefit of another cannot further delegate this obligation unless expressly authorized to do so. The next maxim today is doli incapax. This means incapable of crime. This principle protects children from being held criminally responsible for their actions. According to the principle of doli incapax, it's presumed that children under the age of 7 cannot understand the consequences of their actions. As a result, they are granted full immunity from criminal liability. The next maxim is dominium. This means ownership. It also means control, dominion, etc. Dominion is used in some phrases and maxims in legal Latin. Dominium directum et utile, dominium eminens, dominium non potest esse in pendenti. Dominium directum means direct ownership. Dominium directum et utile means the complete and absolute dominion in property. Dominium eminens means the right of eminent domain. Dominium non potest esse in pendenti. This means ownership cannot be held in suspense or property cannot float in an uncertainty. Dominium plenum means full or complete ownership. Dominium utile, this means beneficial ownerships of an estate. So the term dominium, which means control, ownership, is used in many legal phrases and maxims. So here we have discussed another set of legal maxims. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can ask them in the comment below. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. If you need any preparation material or mock test series, you can check out a quick revision course. This SEBI Legal Phase 1 quick revision course will provide you test series for your Phase 1 and quick revision material along with lot of practice questions. To know more about this course or any other course that iExamB is offering, you can call us on this number. Enroll with us and make your preparation 50% faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.